Some houses dazzle, some dance, but one grounds them all. Welcome to House Gneiss, the spiral that never ends, the stone of stillness. Before there were tools, there were spirals. Before there was time, there was rhythm. House Gneiss remembers. It is the heartbeat of the land, the echo of everything, drawn not in speed, but in silence. But Gneiss resists rush. When we bring our stress, it shows. Too tight and the spiral strangles itself. Too fast and you lose the center. New artists grow frustrated. Why does it look wrong? Because Gneiss isn't just a shape, it's a practice. And like all practices, it asks for presence. But the moment you stop performing and start listening, Gneiss reveals her true form, a spiral that anchors you, each loop a breath, each breath a return to self. She's not here to impress, she's here to remind you that you're not lost, you're just circling home. In the ancient scrolls of the Zentangle Kingdom, House Gneiss is the eldest, the counselor, the one who listens before she speaks. She's not flashy, but she's unforgettable. Because when the noise becomes too loud and your lines begin to shake, it is her spiral that steadies the hand. She doesn't ask for attention. She offers gravity. House Gneiss teaches us the final truth. The most powerful line is the one that doesn't need to prove anything. If your lines have ever wandered and you've struggled to feel grounded, you might already belong to House Gneiss. And if this is your first time meeting the four noble houses, go back, watch them all. Each one speaks a truth your pen has been waiting to express, because in Zentangle, every pattern has a purpose. And soon, the final chapter will decide. One video remains. The final choice awaits. Which house will earn the tangling throne and bring balance to the realm?